Hi, boys and girls. So today we are going to read 4 sentences, and we're going to use a crayon to highlight the words that have the floss rule at the end of the word, which is double L or double S. So you want to grab a crayon. I have yellow, and we're going to read the first sentence. So I'm going to show you, we're going to read that bowl makes a mess. So there are 2 words there that have the floss rule. They go here. Okay, let's go to number 2. I'm going to touch the word and you tell me what it is. Good. She put a dress on her doll. So what 2 words in that sentence have the floss rule? Yeah, dress and doll. Very good. Okay, let's do number 3. The last word is starts. A bell will ring when class starts. What 2 words do you see there? Bell and class. Good. Okay, now we have one more sentence. Let's read this one together. Toss the ball to my friend Nora. Okay, so we have 2 words there. Toss and ball. So now we're going to switch to our pencil and we're going to write the words. If they have a double L, they go in the first column. And if they have a double S, they go in the second column. So in the first sentence, we had bowl and mess. So we're going to write them there. Now, if we look at sentence number 2, we had dress and doll. Sentence number 3 went with bell and class. And the last one had toss and ball. Very good, boys and girls. That was excellent reading and finding words that had the floss rule. You did a really good job. All right, let's turn it over on the back and see. Oh, look, you have a coloring page for today. So if you want to go ahead and color this Christmas stocking, there's beautiful patterns in there. Finish coloring it and then do your next